Kemira is a chemicals group made up of 4 business areas: Kemira Pulp and Paper, Kemira Water, Kemira Specialty and Kemira Coatings. Kemira is a global group of leading chemical businesses with a unique competitive position and a high degree of mutual synergy. The company is present in 40 countries, including here in the Netherlands, where Kemira produces organic salts and blends at its Tiel site. The company has recently consolidated its computer systems under the OneChem program.
OneChem program is an initiative that was put together by global headquarters in Helsinki. The goal of OneChem is to try to get all of our plants across 40 countries onto the same computer system so that we share data. Things are more easier to relate from business to business. The main goal of OneChem is to improve efficiency between our businesses and our day-to-day working environment. When we began the process of evaluating different barcode scanners and different technologies, we found that the Intermec products, especially the EX25 scanner, gave us maximum reading distance. And when combined with the 2D Datametrics barcode, we were very impressed with our ability to read barcodes from a distance. Combined with the ability of the scanner to read from any orientation and from multiple angles, we felt this would benefit our workers more than anything else we could find. When you're in a warehouse and you're trying to get a reading, it helps not to have a horizontal orientation to your scanner. It helps to be able to read from an angle. The best thing about the EX25 is just its ability to give us a clean scan from wherever we stand in the warehouse.
Kemira needed a solution which allows its employees to capture key data at various stages in the supply chain. Their answer was a barcode solution using Intermec PM4i printers, Cisco AirLap wireless access points, and Intermec CK31EX handheld devices. Incorporated within the CK31 handheld computer in use at Tiel, the EX25 is the world's first autofocus area imager. It scans both one-dimensional and two-dimensional barcodes at distances from 6 inches to 50 feet in any orientation. And since it's an imager, it can take pictures too. The EX25 is an all-in-one device, eliminating the need for multiple devices, substantially reducing total cost of ownership and increasing user productivity.
I know that in the past, using scanners that are older, the complaint was it took a long time to get a reading. And when you're working in a fast-paced environment in a warehouse where we're trying to get things out the door as quick as possible, we don't want to worry about trying to get a reading. The quicker you can get a reading, the better the process will be.
The solution provides considerable efficiency gains resulting from easier and faster operation, reduced workloads, cuts in the number of mistakes made, more reliable data, as well as speeded up inventory and searches for material. In Kemira's finished goods warehouse at Tiel, for example, each forklift driver saves 1 hour per day due to the use of the CK31 handheld device with the EX25 scan engine. As a result, fewer staff are needed for receiving goods and for picking goods in the warehouse. Similar results have been achieved in the spare parts division too.
After implementation at each warehouse, we expect to have about a 10% increase in the efficiency of the worker through the time they are able to save with the new technology. In addition to that, we also expect that the number of errors in our data to go significantly down due to the accuracy of the barcode scanner and due to the automation of all of our data processes. After Tiel, we plan on continuing our global rollout of the EX25 scanner. The next location will be in the United States, in our Marietta, Georgia plant. We look forward to bringing this to the U.S. because after Marietta goes live, there are 12 other plants in the U.S. which are lined up for barcoding. Worldwide, we plan on rolling out the project to over 40 warehouses in 17 countries. This is a project that globally is very important for the company.
One device, more productivity, greater flexibility. The Intermec EX25 Autofocus 2D Imager changes the face of warehouse management systems. To learn more about the Intermec EX25's breakthrough features, visit www.intermec.com.